Hello, my name is Alan Meyer, and I'll tell you a little bit about myself and my teaching. I teach American history and government to juniors and seniors at Smoky Valley High School in Lindsborg, Kansas, and I coach football and basketball as well. I just completed my 8th year of teaching. I taught 4 years at Smoky Valley High School, the last 4, and then I taught 4 years previously at a small 1A school at Chase, Kansas. Unique experiences that I've had when I did my student teaching at Wichita State. I had the opportunity to also coach on the basketball team and as an assistant, and so I got to be part of their third 6A state championship. Coached with players that went on to play at Wichita State in Evan Wessel and Perry Ellis, who went on to do great things playing for KU as well, and now is playing in the professional leagues. So that was a great experience that not everybody gets to have, and so that's kind of a unique thing about me. Hobbies that I enjoy fishing, boating, water skiing, basketball, football, baseball, board games, and pretty much anything that you can do that you can compete against somebody else. That's the kind of person I am. I just love to compete and love to get involved in things. So my leadership philosophy is that a leader should provide a safe and respectful environment for students and staff that provide students with experiences that enable them to develop the knowledge, skills, and values to become responsible, successful citizens. As an effective leader, I must develop a strong leadership team. I value their input. An effective leader must lead through example and develop the concept that students come first. An effective leader must work to develop positive relationships among students and staff and parents. And finally, an effective leader must be here to serve others and help them become the best that they can be. Roles of assessment. Successful students learning in the most effective ways with an aligned system of standards. So your assessments must be aligned to what you're teaching, or they're not going to be very effective. And so curriculum, instruction, and assessment go hand in hand. And when assessments are aligned with instruction, both students and teachers will benefit. And students are more likely to learn because instruction is focused and because they are assessed on what they are taught. And teachers are also able to focus, making better use of their time. And so that's my view on assessments. You have to connect what you're teaching with the assessments. And so it's a very important piece of their learning. What I want to learn from this class, I'd like to learn skills that will help me assist teachers to develop effective assessment methods. And I think that's a major piece. Without understanding how to connect assessments, a new teacher coming in is going to struggle with what they're teaching and why it's important to have these assessments. So I think those are the important pieces that go with that. So looking forward to the class, and that's it. Thank you.